turn our attention to the health sector, and the crisis, as you know, persists. The Kenya National Union of Nurses has called on President Uhuru Kenyatta to intervene in the standoff between themselves and his government in a bid to end the strike, which is set to enter its fourth week tomorrow, Monday. Now, this comes days, that's Monday in 2 days. This comes days after a deal was reached with the doctors that saw them resume work. Now, KTN's Beldeen Waliaula has the very latest.
The nurses, who together with clinical officers have been on strike for the past 3 weeks, now want action from the highest office in the land.
I want to plead to the President and the national leaders and the national government, that is Ministry of Health, to address our issues with speed so that nurses can go back to work and serve citizens of this country.
The nurses and clinical officers have been demanding the following: 30,000 shillings in risk allowance. They also want insurance cover and group life insurance, as well as payment of unpaid allowances and salaries. Also at the top of the agenda is the provision of PPEs and the implementation of their comprehensive bargaining agreement. The nurses say they won't relent and will stay on strike for as long as it takes.
Those hospitals are still deserted because the real soldiers, and I'm saying the real soldiers, the nurses, are out. Until our issues are addressed, that is when those hospitals will start functioning.
Non-Secretary General Seth Panyako also threatened of even more severe action should the strike not be resolved within the next 7 days.
7 days from now, if the strike is not resolved, the other Monday, Kenyatta National Hospital and Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital will be joining the strike. We'll be removing them.
Meanwhile, a spot check by KTN revealed that doctors had returned to their workstations following the deal with the government, much to Kenyans' relief.
Mimi nilikuja jana siku ya 25 mwezi wa 12 ndio nimeingia hospitali nikaona imefunguliwa na mimi nikapaki na furaha yangu. Nimeshughulikiwa na nimetibiwa.
Nilileta mgonjwa jana na akajifungua na sasa tunaelekea nyumbani, nimekuja kumchukua. Kwa hivyo madaktari wameregea.
Beldeen Waliaula, KTN News.
Away from that, the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, that's IPOA, says it has